Hello everyone, this is a video about this JBL Horizon, which is an alarm clock that is capable of Bluetooth and two USB charger outlet, and it has a light at the back, and this is the box. As you see, Bluetooth and ambient light, and you can just have a look at this while I'm talking about this. This one it has only the FM radio and Bluetooth, but the FM radio has 5 preset settings. You can choose it tune it to your liking, and then it says fast charging up to 2 devices. It has 2 USBs, but it says up to 2 devices, and that is a little bit dodgy. And then multi-sensory wake up, it means it can wake you up with sound or music and the light that you can select it to gradually to come on as the alarm is going on. And it has 2 different alarms that you can set it for him and hers. And this is the back of the unit. The price of this item starts from £59.99 and goes up to £99.99, and some people even they are selling this for £110. But this one was on a special offer. That's why I opted for this one, not the new version, which is Horizon 2. That it has some slight modification that we are going to talk about, the pros and cons of this. And I get everything out of the box and we can talk more. This is everything out of the box now, and we start with papers. This is a quick guide that I'm going to show you shortly, and these are the safety warnings and warranty. And this is the quick guide that starts from here. You can just pause and read it if you wish. It's a little bit glossy and is going to be a little bit hard to focus, but this is really I can explain to you how it operates. So I put that on the side, and this is the power brick that is 13 volts. Let me just see if I can show it to you. 13 volts, 2.2 amp, and it comes with 2 adapters, one for UK that it goes like that, and one for Europe that it goes like so. So I put this aside as well, and then the cable for aerial. So this is the digital screen that it has, is blue. I'm gonna connect it. I have set it up already, just wanted to show you. And something that I really don't like is this cable. Look at how thick this cable is, and there is a fault with these, that after a short while that people taking this cable in and out is going to damage the jack receiver. In here, that there are loads of videos that people showing how they fix this. So this is the back of this alarm clock, that it has LED light, and if you press the snooze button just shortly, the light gently is coming on until to the maximum brightness, and then when you turn it off, it's just gradually going out. And then these are the control and the corks. For instance, if you look at here, there are no sort of indication that you are touching this right now, because at night, how can you find this minus and plus? But forward and rewind and play and pause is protruded a little bit, and you can feel them somehow. And then these are two alarms, and then FM, Bluetooth, and a sleep timer. And it has 5 different FM settings, and when you turn it on, the screen, by digital I meant the screen is digital, is really nice looking, and it offers you the date and the day as well. So it has Bluetooth, as I mentioned it before, and it has the ambient light, and I cannot play long enough for the copyright reason, or I cannot play it because once I played it, and some people, they just complained about this. But you have to take my word for it, the sound quality is good, but of course, because it's designed for the bedroom, is not going to be that loud, but the quality is there. And these are the 2 USB jacks for charging your devices, and this is the volume down, volume up, and that's really it. And as I mentioned, it has 5 preset FM radio that you can tune it to whatever channel that you like. And this is the back, and at the bottom you have the backup battery here. Let me just see. It's just like so. This is the backup battery, and yes, and this is for time setting. And here we have aerial, the first one. Here is the aerial, and then the power, and then the aux in jack that you can directly connect your devices to this and use the speakers. One of the quirks about this is that this cable is very thick, and I don't know why they made it so thick, but is going to put lots of stress on this power jack receiver there. And there are loads of videos that shows how they have repaired this one. It's just I think it's a little bit too thick. So, and the new model, the new Horizon 2, it has some difference with this. The volume is a knob at the top, and the other, all of these, they are protruded that you can feel them when you're touching them. But these are not very, sensible place to put it in there, because when you are asleep, and here you just have to grab this, this is the snooze, and the center one, play and pause, is the stop alarm. And the alarm, it has some options. You can play from 3 different melodies, or wake up with the radio, or Bluetooth, whatever song that you choose, and then the buzzer itself. Well, we have 2 alarms, as I have mentioned. So this is just a short video about this JBL Horizon, that I really like this, and I fully recommend this for this price, not for £99, because you can get better stuff for £99. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.